In the long history of biological evolution on Earth, dinosaurs are the most well-known prehistoric creatures to us. However, perhaps you are not aware that more than 300 million years ago, during the ancient Carboniferous period, known as the Age of Giant Insects, there was another giant creature that could be considered the undisputed ruler of reptiles. This creature was the giant millipede. And just how terrifying was it? During that time, the continental plates were not as dispersed as they are today, but were in a process of gradual aggregation. Large areas of tropical rainforests were also concentrated in this area, resulting in a warm and humid climate during this period, with lush forests and swamps covering the land. As a result, the Earth's oxygen content during the Carboniferous period reached an unprecedented peak, with oxygen concentrations even twice that of today. It was under these conditions that many unusually large arthropods emerged during this period. There were giant dragonflies larger than eagles, as well as giant centipedes over a meter long. But the most vicious creatures were the giant millipedes, which could reach a length of 3 meters. Although similar in appearance to modern-day centipedes, they were completely different creatures. Giant millipedes had at least 100 slender legs and were very fast-moving. When they encountered danger, they would instantly raise their bodies to intimidate their opponents and spray a stimulating liquid that could immediately paralyze their targets, thus overpowering their opponents. Its entire body was covered in a tough armor, making it difficult to kill. At that time, there were hardly any natural enemies until the end of the Carboniferous period, when the Earth entered a brief ice age, causing a significant drop in sea levels and changes in the climate. The dense forests that blocked out the sun began to disintegrate, and vast areas of land began to desertify, resulting in a significant reduction in oxygen concentration. This event is known as the Carboniferous rainforest collapse. The significant decrease in oxygen content made it difficult for these giant insects to adapt, ultimately leading to their extinction. Thus, the era of giant insects came to an end, and arthropods began to evolve towards smaller sizes. The former glory of these creatures was replaced by other organisms as the law of natural selection prevailed, survival of the fittest. This is an eternal law of nature.